Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
I told you to try these questions. Did you?
Yes, sir. We'll
Yes, sir.
Any
Tried it,
difficulty among these 4 questions?
yes.
Which one was difficult?
22 sir. 22 one, sir. 20.
22nd.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
22.
Given question is x cube minus x square. Further, there is ax plus x minus a minus 1.
Minus 1, sir, last.
In the first 2 terms, I can take x square as common. I'll be getting x minus 1 plus. In the next 2 terms, I can take
X is
x
equal to
as common. I'll be getting a plus 1. In the next 2 terms, there is
minus 1.
minus 1 common will be.
Sir, you can also regroup, sir. AX and minus A.
What if I solve it in this way? Let's see what happens. We'll be getting x
So the
square
last
times of
2 terms.
x minus 1 plus a plus 1 into x minus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is best, sir.
Further, we have x minus 1 common for these 2 terms. So if x minus 1 is taken as common, we'll be getting x square added to a plus 1. This will be the result. Okay, sir.
Yes.
If you are grouping in this way, ax along with minus a and x square along with x, do we get the same result? Don't know. We may
Don't know,
not
sir.
get the
No,
same
sir.
result.
AX and minus A and plus X and minus 1. X cube and X square, minus X square.
We'll get the same result, sir.
You want to combine this x minus 1, na?
Yes, sir.
In that case, it becomes x cube minus x square plus ax minus a added to x minus 1. So here x square common x minus 1 plus a is common x minus 1 plus 1 is common x minus 1. So in all the 3 terms, there is x minus 1 as common. So we'll be getting x square plus a plus 1. So result is same. Probably this is more easier.
Yes.
Apart from this 22nd question, 23, 24, 25, you have done that. Did you find them easy?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, sir. Let's look at
No, sir. Some
26th question.
difficulty.
Good morning,
Answer
sir.
to factorize by regrouping.
Yes, sir.
This question is already done now. It is 22nd question. It's the same 22nd question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is
sir.
same.
So this is done.
29th also same, sir.
29th also same. If I want to solve this 27th one, among these 2 terms, if you are taking common, we will be
2.
getting 2 times of x plus 2y. But here we have 8xy minus 1. Here we cannot take anything common and
Minus
we
1
won't
can
get
be
a
taken
common
common,
term.
sir.
If you are taking minus 1
We
common,
should do regrouping
is
method,
there
sir.
any use? We will be
Yes,
getting.
sir.
To regroup,
Rearranging.
sir.
So we will regroup them.
Yes,
How do
sir.
we regroup?
4y and minus xy and 2x and minus 1.
Suppose if I take 2x minus 1 as one term and 4y minus 8xy as another term, can we do something here?
1 is
This is
common, sir.
one time of 2x minus 1, correct, sir? Out of these 2 terms,
2
if
y is
we
common.
are taking
4y.
4y as common,
4y is
4y, sir.
okay, minus 4y, I'll take it as common. So that this
Sir.
term will become positive 2x and negative 1. So we'll be having 1 minus 4y multiplied to 2x minus 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same answer, sir.
In the 28th question,
You have to simplify
there
and
is
factorize,
nothing
sir.
common, so it's better that we multiply them and then simplify.
Yes,
If I
sir, it's
multiply,
easy.
I'll be getting abx square plus aby square minus xy a square minus xy b square. Now let us make group of these two, abx square with minus xy a square, then plus aby square with minus xy b square. Now you observe there is x, a common, ax is common. If ax is taken out, we will be
Bx.
having
bx
bx
minus
Ay.
minus
Ay.
ay plus,
Plus
out of these two, by is
by
common.
ay plus
We'll be
AY
getting
ay plus
ay
bx.
minus
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 XB
Bx.
xb.
XB, sir. XB.
B.
if you observe
Into here,
Then we
properly,
have to
XB.
take minus
one is
common.
negative, one is positive. So instead of taking plus by, it's better that you take
Minus
minus
by.
by. What I do is in the next step, I am going to change this as minus by. Then the internal, this becomes negative, this
bx
becomes
minus
positive.
ay.
Bx minus ay.
Minus AY, sir.
Now
Then
there is
here,
bx minus ay common.
and
So multiply
AX
to
ax
minus
minus
BY
by.
as a common, sir.
ax minus
AX minus BY. Yes, sir.
Understood? We can
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
simplify here by taking negative by, or else in the next step minus is taken, and I have taken this in a rearranged way, bx first then ay, because this will be negative, this will become positive. All right, observe this. If at all, if we are taking b common, we'll be getting a plus c. In this, if x is taken common, we'll be getting a plus
X
c.
common A plus C.
So a plus c will be common at the last step. What remains here is b.
Sir, b
What
plus x
remains
times
here
of a plus
is b plus x. So a plus c into b plus x is the final answer. Okay, sir. So it's simple.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's have a look at these set of questions. First one is
That is good.
easy. In the first one, if you are taking x as common, we'll be getting x plus 3 plus 1 common, we'll be getting x plus 3.
3.
So the result is x
X plus
plus
3,
3
sir. X
multiplied
plus
to
3.
x plus 1.
X plus 3. X plus 1, sir.
Correct, sir. How about
But yeah.
this? If you are taking 2c common, we'll be having the end as b. This term, if 2c is taken out, 6a we get. So no need of b
Sir,
at all.
6a plus
Straight
a
away,
minus b square minus 2b.
b taken common, we'll be having 6a minus b plus 2c taken common, we get 6a minus b. In the next step,
6A
we
minus
can
B
have
plus
6a minus b as common. This is multiplied with b
plus
plus
2C as a
2c.
common,
b
sir.
plus 2c.
B plus 2C as a common.
That's easy. Next one,
Yes, sir.
probably this is also easy. The thing is,
Rearrange
minus
B.
a is
Rearrange.
taken common. Oh, we won't get no.
No, sir.
We have to
We have to
rearrange.
regroup, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
regroup. How do we
Rearrange.
regroup? A square minus a one
a
term
square minus a plus b minus ab.
Plus B.
plus b minus ab if you are taking another term. What's the use?
Here the
A
common,
common,
sir.
a minus 1.
Common.
Suppose if I take minus b as common, this will be
The voice is
minus 1.
breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Voice is breaking. Yes, sir.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Proper.
Now it's fine.
Okay, minus 1, because minus b I have taken out. So this will be positive a.
Yes,
So
sir.
a minus 1
Yes.
is a common thing multiplied with a
Plus-
minus b.
Yes,
Hope you
sir.
have understood this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
The
A minus
difficult
1 and
step is
A
this.
minus
Minus
B.
b is taken out here. So we'll be having minus 1 plus a. This step is difficult.
Yes, sir. Minus into minus.
Let's have a
Positive.
look at this.
Plus.
There cannot be anything common between
What is
these
that,
two
sir?
terms.
Yes.
Best
We have to
thing is
expand it.
we multiply a square
Yes, sir.
plus ab
Plus
AB
AB
plus AC
minus
minus
AC
BC.
Minus AC
minus
minus
BC.
BC.
Now we can group these
Take
two.
A as a
Common.
common.
A common,
A plus B
A plus
A
B,
plus B
yes, sir.
minus
C as a
Common, sir.
common,
minus
minus C, sir.
C if you take common, A
A
plus
plus
B.
B.
A plus B, sir. Here
A plus
minus
B, A
C as
minus
a
C.
common, sir. Minus
A
C as a common.
plus B into A minus C.
Yeah, yes, sir. Here A plus B and A minus C as a
A minus.
common, sir.
35th question. This square term
A
I
square.
will rearrange.
Yes, sir. A as a
So
common,
A
sir.
cube along with that 3A square plus A minus 3. Now if you are grouping them, A square being common, we get A minus 3 plus 1 time of A minus 3.
A
Yes,
So
sir.
square
A
is
minus
common.
3 into
A minus
A
3.
square plus 1.
Yes.
A minus 3 and A square plus 1, sir. Common.
Yes, sir. These are the questions related to using identity.
Acquisition.
A
In
minus
these
B whole
questions,
square.
we are making use of this A square minus B square identity, which is A plus B into A minus B. In few questions,
5x.
it's direct, like this is 5x whole square minus 8y whole square.
Yes, sir.
Straight away, we
Minus
can write this
8y.
as
5x, sir.
5x plus 8y into 5x minus 8y.
5x minus
5x
8y
10
into
square
5x
minus
minus
3x whole square.
Minus, sir. Yes, sir. 5x minus 8y
Multiply to
into
5x
5x
minus.
plus 8y.
10 minus 3x. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
But
sir.
how do we solve this?
sir. We can
10 square minus 3x whole square will be 10 minus 3x into 10 plus 3x.
No, that
Yes,
is
sir.
done.
yes,
That is
sir.
done.
10
That's
minus
easy.
3x
But in this third one,
10 plus 3x.
it is not a square number.
X minus
We can write
7y
like
whole
this:
square under
root 5x whole square minus
5x
root
plus
7y whole square.
7
Yes,
y
sir.
bracket y x
Root
Yes, sir.
5x
minus
plus
y
root 7y
Root x
5x
into root
root
5x
7x
minus
root
root 7y.
5x plus root 7y root 5x minus root 7y, sir.
Okay. But if you observe this particular thing, 4z whole square, 4z square is nothing but 2z whole square. So we
Yes, sir.
get as
a square minus b
3x
square.
plus 5y whole square minus 2z whole square. Now you use the identity is 3x plus 5y plus 2z into 3x plus
3x
5y
plus
minus 2z.
5y plus
where
2z.
your voice is breaking.
3x plus 5y minus
Voice is
2z and
breaking.
3x
So your voice is
plus
breaking.
5 minus 2z.
Yeah, there is some internet issue here.
Yes, sir. Internet
Try
speed
to
problem.
adjust. What do we do here in fifth question? We can take something common.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can take
Yes, sir. We can take 6
Three.
6
3 common,
common
but
Yes,
6
sir.
common.
minus x square.
150.
3 common. 2 common.
6 common, sir. 6
6 common.
2 common, sir. 2 common.
sir. 6 sir.
6 common, sir. 6 common.
We can take 6 as a common, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
what
sir.
is
We can take
150 divided by 6?
25 sir.
25, sir.
25, sir.
25.
So if 6 is
25
taken
25
out,
minus x
minus
square.
1.
we get 25 minus x square.
25 minus x square.
This can be written as 5 square. So 6 times of 5 plus x into 5 minus x.
Yes, sir.
5 square
5
This
minus
itself is
5
the answer.
minus x, sir. Yes.
Yeah, this itself is the answer. So
Yes,
we won't do anything.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In question
Yes, sir.
6 also we have to do something. Take 5 as
Multiply, sir.
common.
Yeah.
5 as common.
Sir, take 2 as common.
5
5.
common, sir.
If you take 5 as common, this
Four is a
will
common, sir.
become
4 is a
2x whole
common.
square.
4x
This will become 2x whole square because 5 4
square
times is
minus
20. This will be 3 square.
X square
9.
5
5
times of
into
2x
2x
plus
plus
3.
3 into 2x
Yes, sir.
minus
2x minus 3. Okay, good. And now
Minus
you
3
see
square.
here 3x if you take common, this becomes x square minus this will be 16. 16 is nothing but 4 square.
3x
So 3x times of
square.
x plus 4 into x minus 4.
Yes.
16.
Sir, it is
16
x square, sir. It is x square minus 4x square.
In the next
X
one,
square.
2 can be taken common. So 1 square minus 5x whole square.
1 minus 25x
X square. 25x square is 5x whole square. So 2 times of 1 plus 5x into 1 minus 5x.
5x.
In this question, 3 can be taken common. Yes, 3. If you take it out, it will be 9a square, which is nothing but 3a whole square, minus this will be 16b square, which is nothing but 4b
16b
whole square.
square
It will be 4b whole square.
4b whole square.
So 3 times
Yes,
of
sir.
3a
3a plus 4b
3a minus 4b.
plus 4b.
3a plus 4b.
Correct. So you observe
3a minus 4b.
there is everywhere some number or some term which is multiplied to a plus b, a minus b format. Here also
Yes, sir.
Yes.
x common,
X, sir.
1 square minus
1 square,
uh,
sir, is 1 square
8x whole square.
minus
X
8x
common
square.
8x
1
square.
minus
Whole square.
8 square
1
1
minus
whole square and
8x.
minus
1 plus
8x
8x.
whole square,
Very
sir.
good.
Minus 8x whole square is equal to x 1 plus 8x 1 minus 8x.
Correct? Huh? So these are easy.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Yes. What will you take common?
Sir,
2
2 as a
common
common,
sir
sir. 2 as a common.
2a
2
2a
as a
common
common,
sir
sir.
2a
2
Yes, sir.
common.
2 a common.
2a,
We'll
sir.
be getting 4b square, which is
4b
2b whole
square
Yes,
square.
sir.
4b square
4 minus
minus
9
minus
a square, sir.
9a
Minus 9 a
uh,
whole square.
a
a
square
square.
Minus
So 2a
9 a whole
multiplied
square.
to
Or is
3a whole
2b
square.
plus 3b.
minus
2
3a whole
minus
square
3a, 2b
2b
plus
minus
3a.
3b.
2a
Oh, I made a
3b.
mistake
2b
here.
plus
This is a.
3a and
Yes, sir. 3a.
so it's 2b plus 3a, sir. It is 3a and minus
If
Sir,
you
Three.
can you
take
explain
3
once
here,
again 10th question? Sir?
10th question. Yes, sir. This is 10th question, sir.
12.
In this 10th question, x is taken as common. So x times of here 1 remains, which is 1 square minus 64x square remains. This 64x square is a square number which is 8x whole square. 8x whole square is written here. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Rest of the things is carried forward. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way this can be solved.
Yes, sir. Okay.
What is common?
3ab is sir 3ab is common.
Cube of
3ab
number
is
17,
common.
sir.
If 3ab is common, a square will remain.
A square
Minus
A square minus
81 b square remains.
minus
71.
81 8
81.
So
Yes, sir.
3ab
3ab is a
multiplied to
common
9
and
b whole
minus
square.
correct.
a minus 9b and
A minus.
Yes,
a
sir.
minus
Yes, sir.
9. Yes, sir. 9b. Correct, sir.
Correct, sir. In
Sir,
this
yes,
a
sir.
plus b whole cube, here
So we
we
can
will write it as minus 1 time
a
of a
square
plus b.
plus b square. Yeah, yes, sir. A square plus b square.
Uday, is it
Sir, we should
minus 1? I have taken
expand.
common. I am not going to expand it. I am going to take a plus b common. If a plus b
Okay.
is taken common, we have a plus b whole square minus 1 square. 1 is nothing but 1 square. So a plus b multiplied to a plus b plus 1 into a plus b minus 1. This will be the answer, sir. Understood?
Sir, can you explain this one, sir?
Okay, sir.
No,
No
sir, not
problem. No issues. A plus b whole cube. Here there is minus a minus b. Instead of writing minus a minus b, I have taken minus 1 into a plus b. This will be same as this previous step. Why did I write like this? I have written it because I can take
a plus b
a
is a
plus
common.
b as a common thing. So
Yes,
a
sir.
plus b, if it is taken as common, here from a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole square will remain, minus 1 will remain, which is 1 square. I have written basically because I can again make use of a square minus b square identity. This is something like a square, say p square minus q square identity. This p plus q is this, p minus q is this. So the result is a plus b multiplied to a plus b plus 1 into a plus b minus 1. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, how do we solve this 14th one?
Sir, we should take there.
We
Sir,
can
we should.
take something common. Which one is
Yes, sir.
common? 3 is common. If 3 is taken common, what remains when 108 is divided by 3?
36.
36
Yes, sir. 36.
36.
36 a square.
36
Yes, sir.
is what?
36 a
Square
square.
number.
6
Yes, sir.
6 a whole
So
square.
it is 6 a
36
whole
a
square
square.
6a
6 a whole square, sir.
minus 3 is taken out. So remaining thing
B
is
b
b
minus
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 c
c
whole
whole
square.
square.
Minus.
We can use the
Yes, sir.
identity here. So
6a
3
plus b
times
minus c, 6a minus b minus c.
6a plus b minus c.
A plus B minus
6a
C.
minus b minus c.
6 a minus b
6a
minus c.
minus b.
Minus b
Minus
Minus
plus
c.
c.
Minus c.
Plus c.
No, plus
Plus,
c. So don't get confused here because
How should
minus
do,
of
sir, this?
b minus c is minus b plus c. When we have minus of b minus c, this becomes minus b. Minus of
Plus
minus will
c.
be
Plus
plus
c.
c.
Plus, sir.
This is important step.
Sir, here b will become squared. No, sir. Their square number is not there for b.
Here we are using this identity, sir. This is x square minus y square identity, which is x plus y into x minus y.
Whole square is there, sir. The whole square. B
What
square
is
minus
x?
6
X is
square.
our 6a. What is y? Y is our b minus c. So wherever x plus y is there, you just see x is 6a plus y is b minus c. 6a minus of b minus c.
Plus C,
Minus
sir.
of
150.
b minus c becomes plus c, sir. Yes, Abhinav Sheri, how do we solve 15th one? Abhinav Sheri.
Sir, rearranging, sir. Rearranging.
Abhinav Sheri is rearranging what? Abhinav Sheri, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
x
sir.
square common.
Yes, sir. Instead of playing with the emoji, you can just tell x square is common. Very good. What remains?
Sir, 1 minus 5a.
X minus 5 remains.
Yes, sir, x minus 5.
So minus 1 is taken common.
1
X
x
X
minus
plus
minus
5.
5.
Next
Yes,
step,
sir.
sir.
X minus
X minus 5 is taken common. We get
X square minus 1.
minus 1. Is it over here? No. Ganesh will continue.
Sir, x square minus 1 square can be written as x plus 1 times x minus 1.
Correct. Very good. So 3 terms we get here. 3 factors we get. It is a cubic expression. 3 terms are there. 3 factors are there. So this is how it can be solved. Next set of questions.
1 to 1. Yes, sir.
There
Sir,
is
a
a
plus b
common.
whole square. A plus b whole square.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
I was
a plus
thinking
b
that
whole
we have
square
to
minus
minus
3c whole
3c
square.
Square.
whole square.
some of you also must have thought that we have to group them. If you group them, there is no use. So
Yes,
best
sir.
is
Identity.
we conclude,
Using
we
identity.
continue by taking these 3 terms together. This is a plus b whole square minus
3c whole square.
3C whole square, sir.
Now we can use the
a
identity
plus
a
b
plus
plus
A
c
square minus
3c
b square is
into
a
a
plus
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 b.
b plus
3c
b
a
minus
plus
3c.
b
A plus
minus
b
3c.
minus 3c.
So this itself is the answer. Yes. Can you think that 17th in the same line, like the previous one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it is same, sir.
I won't see that it is a identity there.
We can take minus as
Yes, sir.
common,
It
sir.
is.
Yes,
It is
sir.
minus
If we
B
take
square.
minus common.
Minus A
A
plus
square
It's like
minus
what?
2ab plus
Minus
b
of
square.
a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
Now,
It will
now
be
we
a
can take
minus
the
3
b whole
square
square.
so
A
this is
minus
3
b whole
square
square.
minus of a
minus
minus
a
b whole
minus
square.
b
A
whole
minus
square.
B whole square.
So the result is plus a minus b. Here we should be careful. 3 minus
A plus b.
A plus
A
plus
plus b.
b.
plus
Yes, correct. But if you observe this question, can we make use of the identity in the 18th?
Sir, a
There
square
is
minus b square.
We
a
can't make,
square.
sir, identity.
You can't make.
A square minus b
I
square
will
would
show
Sir,
be
you how
a
to
minus
make.
b
rearranging
and
should
a
do.
plus b.
Yes, sir.
Did I change the question here?
Yes, sir. You
No,
No,
did.
sir.
sir.
No, I have just
Rearranging.
rearranged the terms.
Yes, sir. Rearranging.
Why did I rearrange? I will tell you. I will write this 4c square as 2c whole square. This term I'll write as 2 times of a into 2c minus b square. Is it the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If you observe it properly, p square plus q square minus 2pq is p minus q whole square. We can make use of the identity in this first 3 terms. So that is a minus 2c whole square minus b square. Now we can write this as a minus 2c plus b into a minus 2c minus b.
Minus B. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
I have not done anything apart from rearranging them, I have considered these three terms together and minus b square is written separately. The reason for rearranging is we have to get in this format square of a term. So a minus 2c whole square. Now this is something like x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can think how to solve 19th one. (64b square is a square term,
Common, sir. 3A is common.
8b whole
3a,
square.
but we don't
Sir, we
have
after
2ab term.
sir we can regroup, sir. After we can write 9a square as 3a whole square plus
3a
3a
whole square.
minus 8b minus 8b whole square, sir. Then we can regroup.
Yeah, yes, sir. You
Yes,
can
sir.
do something. What else?
You just observe, what if I write 9a square first term and 64b square as the next term,
Yes, sir.
followed by
3a
3a
whole square
minus 8b.
minus 8b whole square
Yes,
will
sir.
be 3a plus
Correct. 3a
8b
whole
into
square
3a minus 8b.
minus
Minus
8b whole square
8B whole square.
plus
Okay.
3a
3A
minus
minus
8b.
8B, sir.
Plus
In
3.
this, I can use the identity.
Yes, sir. 3A
This
minus
becomes
8B.
3a plus 8b into 3a minus 8b
Yes, sir. 3A plus 8B. 3A minus
plus
8B.
I will write this as 1 multiplied to 3a minus 8b. I have just
Yes, sir.
written 1 into. The reason
Yes,
is
sir.
we
Another
can take
common.
this 3a minus 8b as common. 3a minus 8b if it is taken common. Remaining
3.
terms are 3a plus 8b plus 1. This is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We got it.
This you need not write. This 1 into you need not write. I have written because there may not be any confusion if you are writing it.
Yes, sir.
If
Understood.
you don't write also, when you take common, this is must. This is compulsory. 1 has to be written when you take common. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's think of 20th one. Is there anything common there? This is x plus y into x minus y. Here we cannot
3 common.
get 3 common. We will not be getting x minus y
Yes, sir.
format. What to do? Suppose if I am taking this as
2 is
x square minus 3 square, x plus 3 into x minus 3, y is being common, y minus 6. We won't get final something common. Do we have identity here? 20th one. Suppose if I am writing this as x square minus of y
Sir,
square
can we
minus 3y plus 3 square. This is a square, b square. This is, sorry, this is 6
6y, sir?
no.
Correct, sir.
This
Two,
is 6.
two, 3y, sir. 2 times 3y.
This is
Why, sir?
6. Yes, I made a mistake. This is 6. So now we
Yes,
can
sir.
use the identity, right?
Yes, sir. A minus
sir.
whole
This will
square.
be x square minus of y
Y minus
minus 3 whole square.
1 square, sir. Y minus 3 whole square.
So we get x plus y minus 3 into
X
x
plus
X
plus
X
y.
plus 3.
plus 3. Plus
Plus 3.
3,
अरे
sir. Plus
यार
3.
x plus y नहीं है, x minus y plus 3.
Plus
This
3,
is the
sir.
answer, sir. This is a plus b. A is x, b is y minus 3. A plus b into a minus b. When minus b is there, minus of y minus 3, it becomes plus 3. So this will be the answer. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we
Yes,
got
sir.
it.
20th is little difficult because we have to take these three terms together.
Yes, sir, we should think and we should
Yes, sir.
do it.
Question number 21. Do we have
You cannot say that 2 a
identity?
square minus b square and 3, sir.
Sir, we
2x
can
whole whole square.
rearrange it, sir.
3y
Abhinav, you are right. 2x
sir.
whole square can be written here and 3y whole square can be written for this. Then I can take minus 1 as common. I'll be getting 2x plus 3y.
Yes, sir. 2x plus 3.
So that the first two terms can be written as 2x plus 3y
2x
into
plus 3y and
2x
2x
minus
minus
3y.
3y, sir.
Then
So
minus
2x
1
plus
time of,
3y can be taken common.
correct, 2x plus 3y can be taken common.
Yes, sir. 2x plus 3y, sir.
And
Then it
we
should
will
be
be getting a
2x minus
trinomial
3y
2x
as
minus
a
3y minus 1.
minus 1, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
22nd.
Sir,
square
x square whole square
Square
minus
whole square,
1
sir.
square will
X
be x
square
square
whole
plus
square
1 into
minus 1 square.
x square minus 1.
square. 1 square,
X
sir. If it
square
is
plus 1
x
into
square minus 1 and
X
x
square
square
minus 1
minus
can
1.
also be
square
factorized,
plus
sir.
1.
It will become
Yes,
x
sir.
square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1.
Correct, sir. Till here we have to simplify. In the next question, I can take one common a minus b. Yes. Can you try this? 23rd. Interesting.
Yes, sir. We can try it.
I'll give an idea. One taken common a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Here,
here
AB as a
you
common,
can
sir.
write this as
AB
minus
as a
of.
common.
Minus of, if you are writing, this will be a square minus b square. You will all agree with this.
Yes,
Here
Yes,
I
sir.
have taken minus 1
A plus
common,
B as a common.
means minus common, a square minus b square. Here we use the
A plus b,
identity.
a minus b.
So 1 time of a minus b minus of a plus
1
b
comma.
into a minus b. So observe these
A
two
minus b
terms.
can be common, sir.
Correct. A minus b is taken
A
common.
minus B as a common and A
So
plus B
1
minus plus 1, sir.
minus a minus b will remain.
A plus B and plus 1 is a common.
Here a minus b is taken out. So 1 is remaining. So that 1 I have written here. Then there is minus. This term a plus b will remain. So minus a, when minus of plus b is multiplied, we get minus b.
Minus
So
b.
1 minus a minus b. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Can you tell a direct answer for this? Direct answer. I don't want you to solve this.
X square minus
X square whole
25
square minus 25 square.
X
X
square plus
plus 35
25 into
multiplied
x
X square
plus
minus
5 into
25
x
square, sir,
minus
and
5.
X square
X
plus
square
5
plus
into
You
x square
solve
minus
it,
5.
you will be getting this. Okay.
yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. I
Sir,
want
in
you to tell
23rd
this
question,
also directly.
yeah.
Direct
Sir,
answer, can you
X
tell?
square plus
9
9, sir.
x
Hmm.
X
x
square
plus
plus
X
plus
square
3
plus
x
minus
9,
9.
x plus 3, x minus 3.
Very good.
X
If
plus
you
3 and
solve, you will be
X
getting
minus
this.
3, sir.
Try it out. I have used basically this way of solving. It can be expressed like this. The same concept I have used. Alright. Next type of question is splitting the middle term method. We shall do
Yes,
it in
sir.
the next period. Okay. Is there any doubt?
Yes.
No doubt. Ashutosh, Abhinav, Shriyansh. Any
Sir,
doubt?
how to? Sir, how to?
How to?
I have doubts, sir. How to
Yes.
factorize 6 minus x minus 2x square?
6 minus x minus 2x square.
Yes, sir.
What you have to do is, you can write the same thing as minus of 2x square plus x minus 6. So minus of whatever is there here, that can be simplified. What is the product in this? Minus 12 is the product. What is the
Yes,
sum
sir.
in this? Positive 1 is the sum. If you are using 4 times of minus 3, we get the product as 12. 4 added to minus 3, we get the sum as 1. So this can be written as 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. So minus of 2x common, we get x plus 2, minus 3 common, x plus 2.
2x is a common.
So minus of 2x
2.
minus 3 multiplied to x plus
X
2.
minus 2.
This
X plus
could
2
be
is
the answer, or you can write the answer as 3
2x minus
minus
3.
2x,
X plus 2.
3 minus 2x into x plus 2. This could be the answer. Hope I have
Yes, sir.
made you clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Any
one
other
question.
doubt?
Sir,
No
I have
doubt,
one
sir.
question, sir.
Yes, Abhinav, what is the question?
Sir, it is factorization only, sir. So factorize
Huh.
x minus a b minus y z, sir.
A, B,
No, sir. Only a b minus y z.
only A, B minus Y, Z.
Yes, sir. Can we factorize this, sir?
No, sir,
We
we can't.
cannot factorize this here because nothing is common here.
We
At the
can do, no,
most,
sir.
it can be written as one time of AB minus X, AB
No,
minus
sir.
No,
YZ.
sir. Here we can do, no, sir. Root of a b plus root of y z multiplied to root of a b minus root of y z.
In that way, you can find factors of any number, every number.
Sir, is that way possible everywhere, sir?
No. What he meant to say is this, isn't it?
Sir, this only.
So root AB plus root YZ into
And
root AB minus root YZ.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everywhere don't use this. They will give in a specific way that something will be common.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, we shall continue in the next period. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.